Well, we've made our way down the highway to Uneek 4x4, where these guys are going to give us an insight on how to put the canopy on the Hilux. It should take them around half a day or so. There's a few things they've got to do. They've got to run some wiring at the back, put the toolboxes on, the rear carrier, the jerry can holder. But we'll make our way upstairs and introduce ourselves. So we've gone up and spoken to the boys at Uneek 4x4. They offer a range of different 4x4 accessories, but the main reason why we're here is to get the Trig Point canopy sorted out. The unique thing about the Trig Point canopies is the fact that they bolt directly to the chassis. The water tank's pre-fitted, so it makes for easy installation for Murray and the boys. Okay guys, here we are. The guys down at Uneek 4x4 have put me onto Murray, the designer and engineer behind this fantastic canopy that we've just put on the Hilux here. Now Murray, can you run through a few of the features that the canopy has?
Thank you, I certainly can. So our canopy is aimed at guys who go off-road. So we've got great departure angle, rear protection bar, tyre carriers and the rear winches and water tanks. This one we've got tyre carrier on the back wall and our new fold-down ladder on the other side. The sort of guys at Des and Crackers would have a great time with it.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, let's have a look inside, mate. It's all central locking, so
got to unlock that.
There you go. Might have to unlock that one, but
it's nice and easy there.
All central locking. You're not going around opening up windows and stuff like that. Look at the amount of room in here. So the guys offer a wide range of things that you can put in here, like fridge slides, dividers, shelves. But what I've done, I thought I'd take it out a few times and work out what's going to work for me, and I think that's a great way to go about it.
I think you were going to go with those fridge drawers, which are a great option there.
Yeah, I'm looking at the Evercool fridge drawers. They're 40 litres, they hold about 48 cans, so that's right down my wheelhouse. But yeah, obviously plenty of room, so I'll organise this and we'll show you some videos down the track. The other features that I really love about this canopy, it's got a 70 litre water tank here, so I mean that'll last you days. It's got your tyre carrier on the back. You can either have two or you can have a jerry can holder, or depending on what you want, so you can suit your own needs. The ladder, you're always up on top of the roof, putting wood up there, chainsaws, all that sort of stuff, so this thing's, you know, ideal. So I've gone with the ladder and the rear carrier, and then these toolboxes on the side. You can fit some chainsaw fuel, any recovery gear that you like, all compact, nice and sealed, so you won't get dust and things in there. So, mate, I think it's a fantastic design, and I'm really, really happy with it. So,
thank you very much. I'm sure you'll have some good trips away now.
Beautiful. Thanks very much, mate.
Not at all. Thank you.